Hello, friends, and welcome to a lecture on chemical engineering thermodynamics. Today, we will see a problem from GATE 21. The problem is problem number 40. The problem is on your screen. A binary liquid mixture consists of two species, 1 and 2. Let gamma and X represent the activity coefficient and the mole fraction of the species, respectively. Using molar excess Gibbs free energy model, ln gamma 1 versus x1 and ln gamma 2 versus x1 are plotted. A tangent drawn to the ln gamma 1 versus x1 curve at mole fraction of x1 is equal to 0.2 has a slope of minus 1.728. The slope of the tangent drawn to ln gamma 2 versus x1 curve at the same mole fraction is, we want the value at correct three decimal places. Now, this problem is extremely simple. All you have to do is apply the Gibbs-Duhem equation to the binary mixture. Now, the Gibbs-Duhem equation applied to this binary system is x1 d ln gamma 1 plus x2 d ln gamma 2 is equal to 0. This is the Gibbs-Duhem equation written for your reference. Now, for a binary mixture, we also have x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. If we differentiate it, we get dx1 plus dx2 is equal to 0. So let us treat this as equation 1 and let us treat this as equation 2. Now we write equation number 1. And equate it to equation number 2. Further, we divide this entire equation by dx1. Divide by dx1. And we get the following. x1 d ln gamma 1 by dx1 plus x2 d ln gamma 2 by dx1 is equal to 1 plus dx2 by dx1. Now from equation 2 we know that this quantity is equal to minus 1. Therefore we get x1 d ln gamma 1 by dx1 plus x2 d ln gamma 2 by dx1 is equal to 0. Or we can write down d ln gamma 1 by dx1 is equal to minus x2 by x1 d ln gamma 2 by dx1. Now the value of d ln gamma 1 by dx1 is known, and this is given as minus 1.728. So we have minus 1.728 is equal to minus x2 is 0.8, x1 is 0.2 into d ln gamma 2 by dx1. Therefore, we get our answer, which is d ln gamma 2 by dx1 is equal to minus 1.728 into 0.2 by 0.8. Now let's calculate this out. So let's take the calculator. So there we are. The calculator is out and let us do the calculation. So this is minus 1.728 into, uh, it's not done this way here, 1.728, and that's it, multiplied by zero point 0.2, that's it, divided by zero point 0.8. And this is what we get. The answer is equal to minus 0.432. Now the answer was asked for an accuracy of 3 decimal places, and there we have the answer with accuracy of 3 decimal places. That's your answer. As you can see, this was a very simple problem. It was a very simple application of the Gibbs-Duhem equation. Hope this has fired your imagination into solving more chemical thermodynamic problems which are in GATE. And of course, this also motivates you to appear for GATE. You at least get minimum of 4 to 5 problems on chemical engineering thermodynamics. And if all these problems are done correctly, this improves your score drastically. So keep watching my channel. I shall see to it that I post all these solutions of all the GATE papers that are available so far online to me, and you have a good learning experience. That's now for all, guys. Goodbye.